Okay, so I am on the next sheet in your note packet that looks like this quadratic formula worksheet, and it is the last page of the packet. So I'm going to go over only two of them. Quadratic formulas up there at the top. So this first one, I'm needing to get everything to the left-hand side, and it's set equal to 0, so I'm going to subtract 3x, and I'm going to subtract 3 and set it equal to 0. That means that A is equal to 1, B is equal to -3, and C is also equal to -3. Let me focus this for you guys. Okay, so negative B would be a +3, because two negatives make a positive, plus or minus big square root symbol. B squared, which would be -3 squared. I'm going to put that in parentheses so I don't forget to square the negative sign. -4 times A times C, all over 2 times A. So now I start reducing that. 3 plus or minus, -3 squared is 9, +9. -4 times 1 is -4. -4 times -3 is a +12, all over 2. 9 plus 12 is 21. So I'm going to take the square root of 21. So I get square root of 21 rounded to the nearest tenth. I get 3 plus or minus 4.6, all that over 2. I'm going to write my two equations now. 3 plus 4.6 over 2, and 3 minus 4.6 over 2. So that would be 7.6 divided by 2, which is 3.8, and -1.6 divided by 2, which is -0.8. So those are your two solutions. Number 5. Again, I need to move everything to the left-hand side, so I get x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0, because we do opposite operations to move stuff over. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to -1. So negative B, so -1, plus or minus big square root, B squared minus 4 times A times C, all over 2 times A. Got a lot of ones there, right? They're all ones. Okay, so I get -1 plus or minus 1 squared is 1. -4 times 1 is -4. All that over 2. So 1 minus 4 is -3. And remember, can we take the square root of a negative? We cannot. So this would be no real solution. Guys, again, I just want to reiterate, this was a quick review of stuff from Algebra 1. I truly, truly hope that you guys were able to keep up during the COVID time and follow along with those notes given and follow along with the lessons. There are some videos out there on Khan Academy and some other websites that have some good resources. Also, make sure that you're jumping in on those pop-up conferences that I'm offering if you have questions. What you are going to do now is you are going to complete 2, 4, 6, and 8. It's an assignment in the folder where you're going, and this is uploaded to that assignment. So you're going to download the PDF. You're going to use your touch screen. You're going to complete those problems. Then you are going to re-upload this as an assignment. If you don't have any work, you're not going to get any credit on that. Okay. After that, there is a Schoology assignment that goes along with the quadratic formula, so you're going to complete that. Then you guys have a quick Schoology review, and then you're going to have a quick quiz over the concepts in this packet. So essentially, radicals, perfect squares, solving by square root method, solving by factoring method, and solving by quadratic formula. Okay? Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you later. Bye.